Hello, friends. Thank you. Happy to see you there. My name is Kariuki Josephat. A married man, blessed with 4 young children. I have been in this opportunity for the last 11 years, and it found me while I was still teaching the university as a full-time lecturer. My wife was a high school teacher with the TSC. Now, the reason why I opted to be part of this great opportunity is because I used to work very hard and I wanted to really change my life because things were not adding up. As an employee, I would wake up early in the morning, go to my workplace, work very diligently with the hope that I would achieve my dream life. Now, that was never to be. I think my standards that I expected to be living at were very high, given that I had pursued further education to those high levels. And so when the opportunity came and I was told that I could be able to work out the business on part-time basis, I said I have nothing to lose. In any case, I wanted something that can help me to, pay my bills with ease. If possible, I stop paying rent and live in my own house. I was still on foot. I wasn't driving. That was not very interesting. Walking and jumping into matatus with my students, it was a little bit frustrating. So that's why I joined up this opportunity. And as time moved on, I found myself stopping to pay rent, and I started living my own home here in Nairobi. As we talk now, I have 2 homes. I found myself stopping walking to the university or using the public means. And today I own 1 car and 1 machine. And I want to glorify God for that. Now, today it's no longer about myself, but it's about you. Are you willing to change your life as you work with us on part-time basis or full-time basis, whichever the way you want? I want to show you how you can be able to do that. And I will be sharing my screen so that in very few minutes, you're able to understand how it works. So our mission is to equip and train entrepreneurs who are able to maximize on their income potential by earning additional income. But then we also say that your health is your greatest wealth. You don't want to have money and then you take all the money to the hospitals. To understand the issue of health, how we can perfect our health, World Health Organization tells us that we can eat using this triangle, where you do exercises, you eat whole grains, you eat fruits and vegetables to boost your immunity, you take less of protein so that you don't have issues with your health, especially joints, and then you avoid or take very little of fats and sugars. But you find that we do the opposite. We eat like this young lady here eating junk foods, and therefore we've inverted our triangle, eating lots of fats and sugars, proteins, we eat in plenty, especially red meat. Then we don't take enough of fruits and vegetables, thus compromising our immunity. And we don't take whole grains, especially those who are in urban centers, we eat the refined foods. The result is the increase in these chronic diseases, such as the heart disease, cancer, diabetes, stroke, chronic respiratory, obesity, and so on and so forth. But all is not lost, because 63 years ago, there came a man here who had the idea of eating well, reversing the trends, and starting the company Neolife International. Now, as professionals, we have been able to partner with this company very well, so that for the last 63 years, the trend has really been reversed. And we are in 57 countries globally. So the reason why we've been there and will be there for many years to come is because we have strong values, honesty and integrity. People are number 1. Products that work, and you can see the scientific advisory board of doctors and scientists in the world who do research on these products to make sure that they really work, because they are based in nature and scientifically researched. Then we also have equal opportunity for all and long-range vision. So this is the solution that Neolife offers, where we hand the triangle inverted. It's now able to sit stand the upright way. We have TreeNN to supplement whole grains, to fill in the dietary gap for fruits and vegetables, we have carotenoids. Then we have omega-3 salmon plus, fight the cholesterol from our system. We also have multi, many minerals and vitamins, and the 4 are packaged together in that sachet you can see up there. And then we have 30 such sachets in that box called ProVitality. So you take this with your normal meals and your health will be perfect. Now, for those who cannot take capsules, then we have Liquivite instead. So the triangle now, you can see it's the right side up, and we can talk about business when our health is okay. But it's not only ProVitality that we have. We have weight management program. We have herbal alternatives for fine-tuning our hormones. We have home care products so that we are not using chemicals in our houses. Age-defined skin care, instead of putting on our skin chemicals, especially ladies, but even men, we have skin anyway. Then we have children's program so that we invest in the health of our children. And for farming, we have an agri-care called Supergrow, a wonder drop. It boosts the yields in our chambers by 167%, and it's organic. So we need these products. And when you use these products, you feel better, you look better, and you live better. Then now there is a connection between those products and the financial freedom that we want. And that also results to a better lifestyle. So let me show you how this works. First, we tell you, make sure you focus on your dreams. Don't let anyone kill your dreams. And if they are dead, then we can resurrect them. Do you want to earn extra income, drive a good machine, to travel around the world, to live in a good home? All these are valid. But check on your triangle, the source of income first. How do you work? Are you on the left-hand side or the right-hand side? Using the cash flow quadrant, we have 4 sectors. Those who are employed, that is E, and they depend only on employment. Those who self-employ themselves, and therefore they start small businesses which own them instead of them owning the business. They don't have time freedom. Then we also have big business builders who start businesses that can scale to no limits up there. And eventually, those are the people who become investors. Investors are those who make their money work for them instead of working for the money. So who would want to look to cross over from the left-hand side to the right-hand side? I know all of us would want to do that. And if you're on the right-hand side, you may want to help other people to also cross over. So now Neolife gives you an opportunity to partner with them so that they provide all the support that you need: importation of products, distribution of products, softwares that you need to build your business, online platforms, and so on and so forth. So you partner with them. They don't employ you. You are an equal partner with the company, and you only need to pay 9,280 Kenya shillings to partner with the company. What happens after that? You get a kit. This kit contains an international license, literature materials to explain more about the business, ProVitality pack that we talked about for a whole month, and every product is assigned points. These points will be translated into money at the end of the month. Then they will give you your own website and the free delivery of the products anywhere in the country. So what is your work? We have 3 success daily habits. The first one is you use the products. So you change your shop from the supermarket to using these ones. Remember, because there are no middlemen in between you and the company, the money that would be wasted into paying middlemen, you are going to benefit from that, and the company will also benefit from the same. So you share. So the products you buy, you get points, and those points will give you a bonus end of the month. Number 2, you share, first of all, the products. Those who are not members and they want these products, they want to prevent getting arthritis, cancer, diabetes, all these chronic diseases, then if they are not partnering with the company, then they go through you. They access the products through you. So you get points because you are buying in your number, in your account, and you also get profits. Then you share the opportunity with others. That is, they join the company through you. And whatever they buy, you also get those points that they get. And finally, you train so that you are equipped with the right skills and personal development. Now, I want to finish by showing you how you build the network. First of all, you've partnered with the company alone, and you've bought some other products totaling to 250 points. That is where you are called a manager. You're given a pin of manager, and you start earning something small, between 500 to 2,500 Kenya shillings. Now, when you network with others, you bring your friends who are also dreamers, Tom, Mary Jo, and Peter, and they do the same thing that you've done by the end of the month. So they are all managers. And because you are at more points, that's 1,000 points, you are called a senior manager, earning between 2,500 to 20,000 Kenya shillings. And if the points hit 2,000 points, then you are called an executive manager, earning 20,000 to 50,000 Kenya shillings. And when you have developed 4 senior managers or even more, people who are also earning that money, then you are called a director, earning between 50,000 to 90,000 Kenya shillings per month. And there are all these other benefits that are from you being a director. So in a nutshell, that is the ladder. We've gone up to director. However, if you help one person to become a director, you are called a sapphire director, earning 100,000 plus Kenya shillings per month. And if you have helped 3 other people to become directors, then you are called a ruby director, earning 200,000 plus per month. And if you have 6 directors, then you are called a president team member. So basically, that is how the opportunity works. And I am super excited to say this, that anyone who starts that journey, you end up being super successful and you get into financial freedom. I want to welcome each one of us to have a look at this opportunity. Of course, when you're starting something new, you have some fears. So we call them fear of the unknown. You are not sure how you are going to do it, but we will teach you. You are not sure where you will get people from, but people are hungry for success. They want to be also successful. So what we do is we offer mentorship program, and I would request that you get in touch with the person who invited you so that they can help you to get started, and we'll walk through the journey together. See you at the top. God bless you so much as you get started. Believe in yourself, believe in God, believe in us, and 2 years from today, your life will be totally different. You can't succeed in something that you've not started. It is better to start and fail than you fail to start. God bless you so much.